Okay, so even before we set up our items object in the player class, I think probably the first thing we should do is replace this, instead of having this be, having the inventory item be a room, it should be an items object. And so let's kind of trace through and see where our inventory items are and how to make new ones of those. So let's make this be a new items object. Okay, so it's just going to be a place for storing items. So let's say place to store players items. Okay, so now it's specifically, it just is has the job of keeping track of items. Okay, it's not a room and it's not a player. It's a collection that's used by both the player and rooms. Okay, so this inventory item is a place to store the player's items. Okay, so let's see what else. So we have that one. So we do want to. Okay, so I see. So if we have take, right. When we have take, we want to remove that item from the room and add that item to the so items, add item. Let's see. I think I kind of want to I'm thinking we need to need to think about how we're setting up these items here, because I think what we want to do is I think what we want to do is look and see if that item is in the room we're in right now. And if it is, then we can take it. So what we want is, like, for remove item to actually return our item. Item equals, that's our current item, right? And then wait a minute. Let me think this through. And then for our items object, we can put the item name and the item. Maybe, let's see if that complies. Incompatible types. So what did item name is a string. Oh, let's see. How are we doing remove item in room? Let me see. item string. Incompatible types. Oh, wait. Yeah. So when we remove item, what we want is to return the item removed, maybe, huh? So let's see here if that'll work. So now, and actually now, because the items class that we that I'm going to send you is will actually return the removed item. So I think that'll work. Yeah. So okay. So now this should compile. Let's see. Yeah. Okay. And then. Let's see, items put. Put, it needs a string, string and an item. So let's see. What was it telling me? Oh, can't find the symbol items. Ah. Okay, right. So we need an items field, right? Oh, that's right. We're calling it inventory item, right? Okay. So let's jump back to that. Okay. Alright. And now this says, oh, yeah, because I said, okay. So, yeah. So, yeah, since this is not a room, it's not remove item. Let's see, what is it for the items class? How do we remove stuff? Okay, so it's just remove, it's just the string. Okay, so. Oh, I think it's just remove, is it? Yeah, it's just remove, not remove item. Okay. So that compiles. Okay, so that compiles. So, all right, so what we're trying to do here is convert our inventory item into an items object. And what we ultimately want is for these items to initially be put into the room, or right, or sometimes they're given to a room and sometimes they're given to a player, depending. So, like this key, pizza, ball, paper, all that stuff. Okay, I see. You create them here, and then do you add them to the rooms at any point? Yes. Okay, I see. So outside, so now outside has those items. Okay, so those items should be in the rooms to start with. So we shouldn't have to for take and drop, then we shouldn't have to recreate them because they're already in the rooms. So I'm going to Get rid of this. And get rid of this. And get rid of this. And get rid of this. Oh yeah, we don't need this. It's done then. I'm going to get rid of that here too. Alright, we might need to add in some more checks at some point or something, but right now I'm just trying to simplify things a little bit. So so now we've changed our inventory item into an items object. So I think with these guys, and like I said, I think we'll probably be able to get rid of this room now thing. But I think so. I think now we're ready to start moving things into the player class. So that's what we'll start doing in the next video.